It's a very, very big purification, ha. When you sponsor the pandal, you are housing Ama Durga. Instead of bringing Ama Durga home, you're sponsoring that shelter para sa kanya, no? So the whole community needed that pandal kasi po hindi naman sila naglalagay sa bahay lang nila, no? So this is for everyone to actually pay respect. Para ka nag-sponsor ng monasteryo o ng shrine, ng temple, no? Ganon yung benefits ng pandals. It's a very, very big purification, ha. Ang difference lang, kaya mas mura ito rin, kasi hindi ito permanent. Kumbaga, hindi ito lifetime. Pero, immediate naman ang resulta nito. Hindi katulad po ng pag-shrine o pagkagompa because it stays there forever. Ang pandal is a makeshift. So, makeshift, ibig sabihin, after the festival, aalisin na yan, no? So, you housed the Ma Durga for 9 days. You created that house para sa kanya. So, ang benefits niya all throughout this time, the 9 benefits of the 9 days, kuhang-kuha mo, maximized mo yan, no? So, yun.